These are Lego Advent calendars. This is recorded September 9th at Target. Here's the Guardians of the Galaxy one for $44.99. Robert is looking at the back. It shows pretty much all the Lego figures you're going to get. Here is a Disney Store mini brands. That's adorable. So spoiler alert, it's kind of showing you everything you got. I remember when Advent calendars were a complete surprise, but now I guess you get to know everything ahead of time. So I just showing these advent calendars. I came to this Target looking for Halloween stuff. They just started putting out the Halloween stuff. I find it funny that they're not even done with Halloween, even putting it out, but they managed to put out the Christmas advent calendars. This display was in the toy section. I just mentioned that because sometimes advent calendars in the past, I have seen them in the electronic section. There was no other end caps. I looked because usually there's more adult themed ones in the electronic section. These are all nice, but these are more for like kids. As much as I like playing Pokemon Go, I wouldn't necessarily buy this for myself. This Pokemon one is extremely expensive. It's $69.99, most likely because it has lights and sounds, and it was a pretty heavy box. And again, it's showing you every Pokemon you're gonna get, and I'm showing you the thickness, and then I drop it because doing stuff one-handed is not easy. And then they have a nice Play-Doh. I actually like that one, $21.99, because that one, if I had a toddler, or I don't know the age for Play-Doh, if I had someone less than 10, this would be a great gift. Because you have the Play-Doh and then you got little molds and stuff, so you can make little Christmas characters. I really like that one. And then they had Barbie, where it's just like accessories for the Barbie. It was fine, but not anything I thought was great. I just, again, it's early, it's September, and here we go, advent calendars for Christmas. They do sell out pretty quickly, so if you see one you like, I definitely recommend going to your Target. And here is my favorite end cap at Target. They always have this. This is 80s themed toys remade, so they had that Pac-Man board game, Mastermind Lightbright. I have that mini Lightbright. It is adorable. And Battleship, uh, Rocket Socket. Like for years now, they've had these end caps. And Pound Puppies. They had no Care Bears this trip, but I always like to see what new stuff comes out. And don't need any Pound Puppies. I have plenty of vintage ones. I think that Slinky Dog is new. I don't remember seeing that in the past. The Etch-a-Sketch, did you see where it said no Wi-Fi needed? So that's hilarious. Spirograph, totally favorite. Magnadoodle, I personally never had a Magnadoodle, but I knew people who did, and I always wanted to borrow theirs. That was a lot of fun. I'm sure kids nowadays are like, who cares? But this stuff, I love it. See you later.